You get very little of your customers' time these days, so whenever you have their attention, I think you should be marketing to them. It doesn't have to be overt, but if you've secured their attention, make sure you get some extra value out of that interaction. For instance, here's an invoice from one of my suppliers. There's nothing on here that sells to me, a missed opportunity. I can't afford to miss out on an opportunity like that, so our invoices go out with some sort of promotional message, frameyourmate.com on this one, and so should yours. What about your waiting callers? You have their attention at what is virtually point of sale. So make sure you tell them something of interest and value while they wait using messages on hold. And if you communicate via email with clients, add a PS that subtly pushes one facet of your business because people read PSs. You can also adopt this strategy when it comes to marketing to your staff. We print a newsletter every week and display it in the toilets. Given there's little else to distract our crew while they're in the toilets, the newsletter is read over and over. When you analyse every customer interaction, you'll soon uncover a wealth of opportunities to promote and market your products and services. So don't be shy, capitalise on them and reap the rewards. I'm Kim Illman, and thank you for watching.